My name is Dr. Iwa Salami. I'm a senior lecturer in financial law and regulation at the School of Business and Law, University of East London. Today I'm here to talk about a new program that we're introducing called the LLM in Financial Technology, Law and Regulation. The world, of course, is undergoing this massive digital transformation that's facilitated by the amount of transactions existing on the internet and also in the virtual space. Of course, digital finance, also referred to as a financial technology, which is the application of technology to finance, plays a significant role in this process and in these developments. So the rationale around this program is to create expertise in this unique area of law, and it's also to create knowledge and awareness for industry, whether that be in new startup fintech firms or existing financial services wanting to branch out in the fintech space, to understand the implications of law and regulation in the types of businesses they're seeking to introduce. So this program will comprise of 30 credit core modules and one 30 credit optional module. Now, the 30 credit modules would include one, the FinTech Regulation Module, 2, the Regulation of Financial Markets Module, 3, the Law of International Finance Module. Now, the optional module can be chosen from a suite of LLM programs that we offer, and students have the option to choose whatever module they feel they want to choose in that regard. Students would also be expected to complete a 60 credit dissertation module or a 60 credit work-based module. So this program promises to be very fascinating. It promises to look at, or it would look at the extent to which technology impacts on existing financial transactions, such as those existing on the international space, such as international syndicated loans, international bond issues, project finance. It looks at the extent to which legal agreements would have to change to take on board the introduction of or the application of these types of technology to these services, these financial services. It would, of course, look at the regulatory dimension of these developments. So it would look at the extent to which the rationale for regulation, such as investor protection, financial stability, prevention of financial crime, market integrity, the extent to which these objectives are impacted, if you like, by the introduction of these new technologies of financial technology. Of course, the types of technology we're talking about here include machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, cryptography, biometrics, all of which have an impact on the introduction, if you like, of these new services to facilitate, of course, the quality of the services, the efficiency of the services, and as well as the developments in fintech within the space. So, of course, all have regulatory implications and also impact on the types of agreements that are concluded from the introduction of these services. So this program looks at all of this, promises to be fantastically interesting. It also, of course, will be happening at University of East London, which is based at the Financial Centre, which is at London, and very close also to the Financial Hub at the Docklands. So you'd not only be studying a very interesting program, you'd also be studying it at the best location in the world that can possibly happen. So we look forward to welcoming students for September 2021. Thank you.